viewers, my apologies for the delay. The topic of today in the series of short videos as part of Life Management with Anand is loyalty. Often a concept which has been misunderstood and misplaced. So let's begin with the definition of loyalty. Well, it reads as follows: strong feeling of support or allegiance for a person or institution, faithful to one's oaths, commitments, obligations, promises. Well, is that all? No, there's more. Loyalty is steadfastness, knowing that you can be relied upon. Well, I shall now give you an insight to the concept of loyalty as I see it. So as per me, the loyalty begins with yourself. Yes, of course, there's nothing wrong with it. You need to get up, wake up, play up, sleep up, work up, strive for excellence. However, this kind of a loyalty should not get converted into selfishness and self-centeredness. Next comes the loyalty towards your immediate family members. Remember, blood makes you related. However, it is the loyalty that makes you a family. So distinguish between who's separating and who's been separated. Thereafter comes the loyalty towards your core growing up group, as I would call it, something between while you are a teenager till you get a job or sometime later. Now this is a period which is characterized by impulsiveness, incoherence, where strong dominates the weak. So you need to distinguish and grow up. Followed by the loyalty towards your job, stroke your workplace. It is here that you are required to follow certain institutional guidelines, work ethics to maximize your output, and that is the way you show your loyalty towards your organization. And the performance has to be demonstrated, seen and acknowledged. The next kind of loyalty is towards your new family. So remember, promises made during marriages are often broken. One cuts down the other. It depends who uses the axe first. So therefore, I feel the couples should be the best of the buddies, and they should never allow their own elders or even their own children to interfere in their lives, because this loyalty here can be absolutely disastrous. The next loyalty is towards the society. Well, this is quite self-explanatory. You need to have some kind of a affiliation to the clan, region, association that you belong to. Of course, these should be guided with principles of reasonableness. We then come to the next loyalty, which the loyalty towards your country is one of the topmost forms of loyalty that you can get to see in the world. It's here that a person even sacrifices his own life for the security, safety and honor of his nation. So the people who fit in here are the defense forces, the corps and many more. However, there are ways and means wherein every one of us can contribute towards the loyalty to our nation in our own unique ways, be it social work, accomplishments in education, sports, research and so on. Coming on to the next loyalty, again a very important one, is towards your overall mankind and nature. So very simple formula here: just be kind-hearted, gentle, helpful to all humans, plants, animals and the environment, right? Okay. Last but not the least is the loyalty towards your angels and your pathfinders, without whom you would not have reached where you are today. They are those who have laid down the pipeline. Loyalty towards your angels stroke your pathfinders, because of whom you are where you are today. Remember, they are the ones who have laid down the pipelines, the benefit of which you enjoy right now. Remember the Indus Valley pipeline story? Those who know this story would relate. So do not forget your mentors, pay them your rich tributes while still the sun hasn't set on them, and pay your gratitudes. So in this little journey of life, how do you define the concept of loyalty? Are you for real or otherwise? Take your call, review. For more, check out my book on Amazon. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ciao.